Yo, stocks 5150. Today is May 15th and the time is 8:29. 8:29. We got market data. What we got coming up? Let's see. Let's see. I think we got the Empire State housing stuff, some kind of crap. So let's what we've been having overnight though is the market has pulled back. Like we're opening up down 1.65%. So that's a lot. Um all night. And you can see I'm already in a position. Back at it again, counter trend trading. Yeah, I know. Because we'll see if it gets a pullback or not. I don't know though. Oil is at 104. That usually is pretty bearish though. But I think it was something about I don't know, something happened overnight. I'm not sure why. But we pulled back though 1% and probably some profit taking going on. Yeah, maybe that. Maybe. Or we're getting ready to pull all the way back. Or this just could be making a higher low. A lower high, I'm sorry. A lower high when we bounce. That's what I would hope, but we don't know. So right now, let's see. The data came out as 8:30, and it looks like the reaction is negative because we're crashing out some more. Didn't expect that. Thought it was gonna bounce. What is the data? The data is the USC Empire State Manufacturing Index. Uh, The previous was 11, the forecast was 7.3, and the actual is 19.6. So, what is the Empire State Manufacturing Index? That's what you say. And I said the same thing. It's the level of diffusion index based on the survey manufacturers in New York State. Actual greater than the forecast is good. So we got 11. So that's a lot greater, a lot better. So above zero indicates conditions, improving conditions above zero. So and below worsening. So we're above. So things are getting better according to this on this survey. This is just a survey. So we got 19.6. That's super crazy. We were 7.3 and then we went 19.6. That doubled. Now, what does that mean? Right now, we don't see any bounces or anything like that, but could be good news. You know what I'm saying? We're increasing things manufacturing wise. Uh, Canada, they're down. And what else we got? That's it for today. So, no data, no economic data coming out. We'll see if DJT or somebody talks because they did have that meeting over there with Xi Jinping and all them. So maybe he'll say something and that'll make the market run or make it crash out some more. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. It shouldn't be any crazy talk because China kind of frowns on that, but we are pulling back still. And my order that I have in here is at 29,440. 29,440. If that hits, that'll give me 1G. You know what I'm saying? 29,440. So we'll see if we can make it up to the top side again. From here, we bounced here twice already on the 5 minute. And again, where we at 1.7 on the pullback. So we could retrace or not. If we make it back to yesterday's low, the low for yesterday was here. Yeah, so if we make it back for yesterday's low, then might be good. Might get out of here alive. Might touch it and then pull back down. But right now we are sinking, sort of. We got what do we got? Let's see. DJT said we don't need the Strait of Hormuz open. Okay. So he's back talking that again. So I guess that's why the gas price, the oil prices are up. Um, he expressed optimism this 6 hours ago. What else did he say? An hour and 40 minutes ago, Trump announced a soybean trade agreement with China. Okay, so that's good news. That should be good for farmers. You know, we are below my level, but so China will buy billions of dollars of soybeans. Trump says we have achieved a total military victory against Iran. And Trump says Iran bridges, electricity, capacity sites we can hit. Last thing we need right now is something I don't know, but talking shit at the same time. So the news, the response from the market off of the Empire State thing is basically a pullback, a continued down continuation. Over here on my slow and steady contract, I made my 40 bucks. We got 46 on the day. That's it. Remember, we just gonna chug and plug away on this one. So no swinging for the fences. But over here, we thugging it out apparently. We're pulling down. Now we're down to 100. Um, the bottom, where do I think we could go? Low. So let's go look at the 4. I mean, market can go as low as it wants. It can go down here to this 200. Nothing's stopping it. Right now, we're at like the close to the 48, 29,000 even. So we had 100 points. So we could hit 29,000 again. This would be wiping out all of those gains, which would make sense. Put us back there. That could happen. And then maybe we get a bounce, or maybe we don't. I don't know. But if we don't get a bounce, then I'll have to cut this loss because it'll be a big get size loss when I wake up. Yeah, yeah, I'm getting sleepy already. All right, so I'm getting ready to go lay down, go to sleep, and I'm not gonna leave this on. I'll just check back in to stocks 5150. Yeah, hopefully get a bounce though on this. Like hit the 48 on the 4 hour and boom, pop up. That'd be perfect. Perfect. Perfect, I tell you. Perfect. So far, no good, but we're trying. Maybe I'll leave this on till market opens and then I'll close it. I don't know. Might actually go to sleep. I'm sleepy. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna leave it on. Yeah, we're cascading down. Interestingly enough, I was up 170 earlier, like right here, and I didn't take that because I'm waiting to see if that's gonna play out. So, and I really want to say, I said yesterday, stop doing that and just take the little base hits and let the money stack up. Here I am again, swinging for the fences, trying to get a G. But you never know, it might work out. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm getting sleepy as a mug right here now. So $200 we're down. If we go down to what, 2028.78, we can get down there. It could easily be 1,000 the other way. Yeah, so we'll see. Not gonna cry over spilled milk or at all. You feel me? Stocks 5150, yo. Stocks are crazy. Peace.